In this session we are talking briefly about technical analysis course. Here are some important things which matters in technical analysis. Price action, candlestick patterns, chart patterns, volume and indicators. Starting with price. What price showing? Price discounts everything. Price is the best indicator for many of the best traders from the leading investment organizations. They just look at the price and identify whether it is good to invest or not. Next point, price action. The best leading indication of stock's future price projection. It is a perspective rather than technique. How price moved in past. Candlesticks patterns. Most people use this as a major indication of upcoming trend or price reversals. We are going to discuss candlesticks in details in this course. Next point, chart patterns. Chart patterns shows the mentality of peoples according to economic events of company, sector, country, or world. Next point, volume. How much the participation is in the specific script. More participation means more growth in specific assets. Next point, volatility. Volatility happens when different participants has different views on future projection of price. That creates uncertainty in the market. In this section we discuss about various indicator strategies that can help you to get the idea of future price projection. This can maximize your profit by using them in right way. Thanks.